Alright guys, here we are for our unboxing for our August company. I know it's already August, so what is that company? You saw it in the title. It's Ruddy Man. Now, I've never used Ruddy Man before, so this is going to be a first time experience for me. Not only first impression, true first impression, but first time this month. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, and gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Take that first step, click that subscribe button. Okay, so today is unboxing for our August company, which is Ruddy Man. All right, so this whole package is from Ruddy Man and what we're gonna be using for the month of August. Now, what I'm doing is Year of the Beard. If you've never seen any of the other videos for Year of the Beard, 12 months, 12 companies. Each company gets their own month, and only their products are going in this beard. So we're moving right along through the year, and so we're already on August. So let's jump into this and see what Jimmy sent us to use for the month. So, and like I said in the beginning, I've never used Ruddy Man, so this will be a first for me. And let's just get it all out, and then we will kind of dig through and see what we got. So, all right, let's keep trash handy. All right, so we got a business card right here and all his information on the back. If you're not ready till you're ruddy, check out that sticker. Got the apron. These are some really cool and quality stickers. So one thing that Ruddy Man does is a Ruddy Reveal, where he sends out a unmarked bottle of oil, and you have to try to figure out what the scent is. So let's see. Doug, thank you for making me a part. I hope you love the goods. Just know that the Dapper Fox is both retro label, and the bottles are what we're using while the supply chain is backed up for our regular Amber Bullet bottles. He did explain that to me in some messages, that some of these bottles that we have in this package are temporary bottles. His supply chain got kind of messed up with everybody ordering bottles for hand sanitizer. So some of these will not be permanent lineup for what you get if you order from Ruddy Man. So let's just get everything opened up out of all this bubble wrap, and then we will go through and see what all we got. I can already tell you it's a lot, and it is packaged up like crazy here. So I hope everyone is having a wonderful, wonderful day. July is done, and we are rocking on with August. I'm excited about this month, which I've been excited about every month. So let's try to get this. And one more. But if you haven't checked out the other videos in the series, I will put a card up top, and you can check those videos out and check out all the different companies that we have done so far. Like I said, we started in January, and we are now in August. So we have had a bunch of products that we have gone over in this series. So he does a good job with his shrink wrap, I can say that. Well, while I do this, just take in the sounds of the birds and I was out here the other day and a hoot owl was hooting. And I was like, man, I wish I was doing a video. All right, so we got everything unwrapped, I think. So let's just check this out, and let's just start with the first one I get to. Let's see, River Runner. It's part of the Sawyer series. It's a balm. Check out that label. So he's redone his labels. He's redone his logo. Ooh, that's a good scent. And I do not know what scent profiles are. So some of these hopefully will have it on them. Whistle Punk from the Sawyer series. Give it a shake. Trying to see if it's got the scent profile on here. Oh man, that is amazing. What is this scent profile? Amber, oud, campfire, and warm cologne. It is subtle. Get out of that sun. It's a little bit subtle. It's not strong, but it smells so good. The first thing I get is kind of that cologne type scent. And the next one is Head Honcho. We won't look at the scent profile. We'll give it a whiff and see what we can. Oh God, what is that? Oh man. Birch, tobacco, pepper, and exotic essence. That smells good. Head Honcho. It's got a bear on there. Let's see. And then this is River Runner. So we'll get the scent profile on this. The balm was a little subtle. Oh man. These are all part of the Sawyer series, which is an outdoorsy, cologne-ish vibe. That smells amazing. Redwood, cedarwood, and aquatic musk. And that one is, that's the label. All right, so now we have Head Honcho in butter. I've always heard good things about Ruddy butter. Oh, that smells so good. White. Let's see. We've got the summer butter, the liquid beard butter in the Whistle Punk. So you see that is a liquid. May get a little bit thicker when you shake it up, but it is a liquid. It's the summer butter. It's the Whistle Punk is the amber, oud, campfire, and warm cologne. This is a 4-ounce bottle. All right, so we've got our Ruddy Wash in the Dapper Fox scent. What this is body wash. This isn't beard wash. This is body wash. Give it a little scent. Let's see. Ooh, I pick up lavender. That's what I pick up. That smells really good. But this is a body wash. So Ruddy has a body wash. We've got our conditioning beard wash in the Dapper Fox scent as well. And here's the scent profile: peppermint, spruce, tea tree, and lavender. So this is your conditioning beard wash. And then we have the Ruddy Rinse, which is your daily co-wash. These two are super, super thick. I love a thick co-wash, a thick beard wash. It does so good. So yeah, this is in a, what size bottle is this? It doesn't say. Anyway, all right guys, so we're gonna break all this stuff down. We're gonna do weekly update videos for you. All right guys, well that is it. We have unboxed it all. We know what we're gonna be using for the month of August, and I can tell you, it looks like it's gonna be a good month. So if you're interested, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure your notification bell's turned on, because we're going to be dropping update videos once a week on these products and let you know how they're doing for my beard. So if you're interested in that, make sure to stay tuned. And until next time, guys, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.